This happened immediately after posting the last video about how well things were going on my CNC. Terrible chip weld. However, I think I have a way to fix this. I learned that I could take a little bit of sodium hydroxide, or lye, which is sold as drain cleaner at the hardware store, mix it with water, and you know what it's going to do? It should, if I do it right. It will dissolve the aluminum on this carbide end mill, but it won't dissolve the carbide, which I think is pretty cool. So let's see if that works. I think we need about 1 or 2 tablespoons of this stuff, which is about maybe that much. Now we need to give it a stir with something. We'll use this stick. This is warm water. Whoa, it's reacting with the wood. That's cool. That's wild. That actually looks kind of cool. Alright. I'm going to turn my spray booth on. Yeah, we're going to plop this little dude in there. See if that works.
It looks like that's working really well.
It's been about maybe 20 minutes, and I want to check on this thing. Let's take a look. Alright, so check this out. Look, there's a little blob of aluminum right here. This is amazing. That's so cool. Look at that. It looks brand new. I am really, really impressed by this. This is awesome. I didn't know you could do this. So, next time you get a bunch of aluminum chip weld on your carbide end mill, go and get yourself some lye, like sodium hydroxide drain cleaner. Mix up a little slurry. Do this outside or in a fume hood of some sort. And you can rescue your bit. I was literally about to throw this thing away. Cool.